What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? How did you get all the way back in there? I think you need to come out. I want to make sure you're not stuck. Come on. Rotten cat. What are you doing? Huh? Do you all see where he is? He's smushed into that little tiny hole. Mo, come on out. Come on. Can you come out? Here you go. Hi. Oh, here he comes. Hi, pretty boy. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Oh, I hear birds. You hear the birds? Kiko's just watching him saying, what's that naughty cat doing now? Huh? Kik, right? What's naughty boy doing now? Into trouble. That's your Daily Mo video.